necessary. With the props tilted at 45 degrees maximum, it does a rolling vertical takeoff.
There you go. Now watch as those big pylons holding the engines out on the end of each wing start rotating forward, and we go from the helicopter mode right into the airplane mode.
So you go from
22 Osprey is a medium
in the Osprey.
long-range airplane configuration into vertical takeoff and landing.
¡Vamos!
Watch as we pass now.
Mira, ahí va a estar cambiando la...
The air show accelerates the aircraft by bringing those nacelles right up into the vertical position.
Lo agarré al puro pex.
So it has the advantage.
Say hi to the camera. Do the hi to the camera.
Advantages.
Hi, nanas. Hi, Oti.
Landing gear.
Hi, Victor. What's up, brother? Papu. Di algo, compita. My baby Sonia and the love of my life, Alexander Perez.
This way. This is a magnificent airplane. How long has your unit been operational with the B-22? 50 years. How wide?
Rotors are 36 feet wide. One side to the
For those who are
Mira todo el humo que está sacando.
The rear door is where they can put a gun emplacement to give the turbo FedEx ground rotors combination motor control.
now we're in a complete hover as we turn towards the ground. Those two Rolls-Royce 8110
Mira.
turbocharged each with more than 61 pounds almost 38 rolls. Keep in mind that the Osprey boasts more than 57,000
Dice, hi, everybody!
No más. Por ahora.
cells on the edge, housing the engines, control simply the front six, rotating the horizontal or the vertical. Captain Joshua Donnie King controls his assisted by First Lieutenant Spencer Fitch in the cockpit. And we have a Richard for Sergeant Michael Grant on board. And Air Observer Alex Westwell on board.
¿Viste que está abierto de atrás?
60-degree turn to show you the incredible capability. And notice the large flaps on the wings of the MV-22. Very much personal. Now watch the bow. Here we go. Little bow to the crowd there. How about giving them a wave? Bow view. Execute a vertical landing in the total helicopter mode. Now watch the cells as they come forward to the 60-degree mode. Osprey crews have the luxury of taking off or landing on a runway or a large deck, but also they can do these rolling takeoffs as demonstrated right now. The 60-degree rolling takeoff in the MV-22 Osprey.
Manches, ese avión hace todo, man.
While Greyhawk 1 enters downwind preparing to roll on landing demonstration, I'd like to share with you some of the accomplishments of the Marine Corps MV-22 community. In 2007, the Marine Corps deployed supporting operations in Iraq and Afghanistan.